Today we're going to show you a surefire way to protect your floating floor, whether it's wood, laminate, you name it, from moisture. Don't just rely on a standard pad. This is a method I've used where I'm worried about moisture in low-lying areas or just jobs where I wanted to take that extra step to really protect it. So without any further ado though, let's hit it.
So beautiful, you and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hi, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and today we're out at one of my job sites and we are installing some really nice bamboo flooring. But we are in an area that is susceptible to moisture. It's a low-lying area. We're out in the country, and I didn't want to just rely on a standard underlayment to protect us from moisture. We're doing over 1,000 feet, actually 1,300 feet of flooring. We can't take any chances, and my customers come to expect that from me. I like to go the extra mile. So let's go in and show you exactly what we did. So now, if you're familiar with most padding, we have our standard pad here. This is a good pad. It's a 2-in-1. It's a cushion with a moisture barrier. There's nothing wrong with it. You know, I use this all the time, but the moisture barrier on there is only so good. Guess what? These padding rolls are only 4 or 5 feet wide. So every 4 or 5 feet, you have a chance for moisture to get through. Now, we're going to show you a couple different things you need to know about this padding when you're using it. Now, number one, most of these pads come with this tape, a little piece of tape that you peel off one side, and then you stick this down to the other half. You see that white tape there? You peel that off, and now you're relying on that little piece of tape and this overlap to hold you in place. It may work, but I don't like to take a chance. So number one, when we put this pad together, we are going to use a heat-rated packing tape. Packing tape is designed not to release from heat. So underneath the floor, once we install this floor, it's going to make our pad a lot less likely for moisture to get through it. What I've also gone ahead and done is put a 6mm poly vapor barrier under this floor. Yep, it's plastic. Normally, if you have a floor that has the padding attached to it, you have to put these down. We're putting these under all the vinyl floors nowadays. But it is probably your best protection from moisture, especially if you get the wide rolls. This is a 12-foot wide roll by 100 feet long, so we have very few seams. Now, where we do have seams, we've overlapped them. This is a seam right here. We've overlapped them 12 inches or more. And then, guess what we did? We put our packing tape down. So now, when we have this whole room, it's like 2 to 3 pieces of 6mm poly did the whole room. We have our padding on top of it. We're going to put the packing tape on the padding. We have the plastic that comes with it on the padding. And we're not done yet. Finally, we're going to run our 6mm poly up the wall behind the baseboard. So any moisture that goes through here is now going to get pushed out. The only way it can go is out away from this room. Well, I know I'm going to sleep a lot better tonight knowing that this floor is protected. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check all of our other videos. Plus, we have a PayPal link below. We're trying to get some better camera and audio equipment to make these videos even better. But we could use your help. YouTube doesn't promote our videos as much as they should, so please like, share, and of course, if you already haven't, take out your favorite flooring mallet and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.